Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Bob Dust. If you're new there, hello. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. Since, you know, Valentine's Day is coming up, I'm going to do a sort of pinky makeup look. Because obviously, Valentine's Day, overly commercialized, red hearts, Jenny Bird, blah 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 blah. Yeah. What I'm going to start with is the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer in the shade C2. I got a nice beauty blender. I tried to organise my makeup out the other day and it did work. Like, I've organised it and it stayed the same quite well, but I feel like it's not. Going to stay that way. For my blusher, I've been using a lipstick. I've been using this one, which is the Essence Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss. I don't know the shade because I've had this for probably too long, but you know, it's good, it's nice, and I just apply that on my cheeks because the blusher I do own, like a powder one, it's like a sort of got a bit of orange hint to it, sort of peachy. Coral, that's what I was looking for, but it's also like shimmery, like really shimmery, and I prefer sometimes like a matte one. So I just apply this so like there. That looks like a lot. Okay, I may have done a bit too much on this side, but we're not gonna get into it. This palette is like broken because I've used it so much. We are going to use this bronzer. It's like the Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit in Ultra Fair CO1 Revolution by Revolution. I'm just going to dust my forehead with this just to make me look a bit more bronzed, a little bit sort of sun-kissed, but not enough that I look like I've stepped into a really bad tanning salon, because that is not the look I like to go for. I don't like to go too heavy on my bronzer. I still like to look white. So yeah. For highlighter, we're going to use the same palette, and we're just going to use this one in the middle, which is sort of, it is like pinky, so that fits with the whole thing I'm doing. I don't usually do sort of pinky themed makeup looks. I'll usually mainly do sort of like goldy bronze stuff, but considering this is a Valentine's look, we shall amp up the pink. I wouldn't say I'm not a fan of pink. I'm okay with the colour pink. I don't like the stereotypes around pink. I don't like the stereotypes that it should be women that like the colour pink and it should be boys that like the colour blue. Okay, we are going to move on to the eyes. My whole thing that I don't like around Valentine's Day is the whole commercialization of it, basically. I don't like the fact that it's become so over commercialized. It's like buy. Like, yeah, it's sweet spending the day, having a day with like your romantic partner or something like that, but then it's all the commercialization of buying chocolates, buy these red roses, buy a stuffed teddy bear. It's just, yeah, I just don't like that part of it. So I'm going to prime my eyes with the Ultimate Eye Base by Revolution. Most of these products, if you've seen my other videos, like makeup ones, you will have seen me use these products. I basically just use the same products over and over again because I don't see the need of having multiple of the same type of product. She says having several highlighters, but my thing is my several highlighters come in different colours. I have different ones for different things, match different makeup looks and different outfits look. And for my eyes, I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution Chocolate eyeshadow palette. This is the mini one, obviously, as you can tell, it's mini. These are very cute. I'm going to use this shade to start off with. I'm just sort of stamping this on and then I'll blend it out. If you guys have any video suggestions for me, then like please pop them in the comments down below. I'm always looking for new ideas to do stuff. I'm going to just go in with this shade. And I'm just putting this sort of in the crease. Now I'm just going to go in with this shade. And I'm just going to put that shade in my outer corner to just deepen it up. Okay, so I'm going to take the same shade and I'm just going to put that along my lower lash line. Just going to take the shimmer shade here and I'm just going to put this like on my lid on the inner half, just to, you know, give it a bit of shine. I'm going to add some eyeliner. If you haven't seen my eyeliner tutorial, then just click on the iCard or click go to the description box and I'll put it down there as well. I'm going to use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm just going to add mascara to finish this off and make it look at least something like I tried and made a good effort. I'm going to be using the Essence All Over Me Waterproof Mascara. This is the side and all the split ends of the eyeliner. I always tend to do this, but I'm just going to get that close to my eyes, so. Okay, so now I'm just going to do my eyebrows. Okay, I'm just going to use the Roxy Color Burst palette, and I'm just going to use the shade Cocoa in there to just fill in my eyebrows because I don't have any eyebrow pencils or any products actually made for my eyebrows because I can do it with eyeshadow. To be honest, there's not much I actually do with my eyebrows in general because they're already quite thick and nice. But whenever I do eyeshadow, I always feel like I want a nice complete eyebrow with it, so that's why I just fill it in. To finish the look off, I'm just going to use the exact same lipstick I used for my cheeks. So. This makeup look is complete. Overall, I'm very happy with it myself. If you like this makeup look and this tutorial and found it helpful, then please hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below how you think this turned out. And if you give it a go, tell me how it turned out. And also, if you want to follow me and support me, then please hit that subscribe button. And I shall see you next time. Bye.